Do you know hundreds, maybe thousands of English words, but when it comes to speaking, you still freeze? Maybe you understand English perfectly with all its grammar rules and its exceptions, but conversation still feels slow, awkward, or even maybe stressful. This is because English is not built on word by word sentences. They are built from phrases. Hello, beautiful people. I'm Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at one of the biggest secrets to speak English naturally and quickly. If you've been memorizing vocabulary but still struggle when it comes to conversation, today's video is going to completely change the way you learn English. Because the truth is, memorizing vocabulary is not what is going to make you fluent. Phrases do. Let's get into it. A lot of English learners focus on individual words. You'll learn a word, write it down, and maybe even memorize it. But when it comes to a real conversation, you go blank and you freeze. This is because knowing a word is very different from being able to use it instantly. Natural speakers or fluent speakers do not know word for word. They speak with ready-made language patterns, otherwise known as phrases. Let's have a look at some examples. How's it going? Let me think. That makes sense, and I'm not sure yet. These are called chunks or phrases. Your brain remembers them as one big unit, almost like one large word. Your brain is designed to recognize patterns. Even in your native language, you don't create a sentence from zero. You retrieve already known language. And that's exactly what fluent English speakers do. They don't invent sentences every time they speak. They recall phrases that they've heard thousands of times. Instead of thinking, present tense, verb structure, correct order, a native speaker just says, let me explain. The key point here is that fluency does not come from intelligence. It comes from memory. When you only know single words, your brain has too many decisions to make. You have to think about grammar, word order, tense, pronunciation, sentence structure, and all of that pressure creates hesitation. That's why speaking can feel very stressful or exhausting. But phrases change everything. You don't build sentences, you enter them. And this creates a lot less stress when speaking. Some examples of this would be, I explain this now. You could say, let me explain. Or, I agree with you completely. You could say, you're absolutely right. Real-life English is chunk-based. Native speakers repeat the same phrases constantly. For example, to be honest, at the end of the day, I was about to say that, and you know what I mean? All these phrases create natural flow and rhythm. That's why native speakers sound so smooth. One of the biggest reasons why learners stay silent is fear. You're afraid of making mistakes, and familiar phrases feel safe. When your mouth already knows what to say and how it feels, it becomes a lot easier, and naturally confidence starts to grow. But confidence is not perfect grammar. It's knowing what to say next. This is something many learners don't realize. Learning phrases, you automatically start to absorb correct grammar. And once you've started doing that, correct grammar will start to sound natural. Think about children, why they pick up language so easily. It's not because they learn grammar, it's because they learn through repetition first. So, if you want to improve your English speaking, stop collecting random words. Start collecting phrases your mouth already knows. Because fluency isn't about recognizing words and translating in your head. It's about recognizing and recalling language instantly. And that happens through phrases. Be cool, not a fool. Subscribe for more English tips and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. And if you'd like, you can scan this QR code on the screen or click the link down below to book one-on-one classes with me. I help students build their confidence, their speaking, listening, grammar, whatever it is that you feel like you need to improve, I can help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.